Hi guys, so today we are looking at some Igbo phrases used to express I think, yes, in a conversation. So you may be having a conversation with either your tutor or maybe your friend or family member, and then you want to express your opinion, yes, to cut in and then suggest something or maybe to even comment. So there are some Igbo phrases to do that. Just the same way you say I feel, I think. So in Igbo you feel free to say echerem. Yes, echerem, that means I think. It's my thoughts. Then you can also say nuchem. Yes, nuchem. That is in my opinion, in my thoughts. Some people also say nuchenkim. That is trying to personalize it. Nuchenkim. That is in my own thoughts. There is another interesting one that Mazi Brian uses a lot. Asimkwo. Yes, asimkwo. Asimkwo is like if I'm to say, if I'm to comment, if I'm to say something. So asimkwo. Feel free to use these three phrases. I will also bring you more in my next video.